So now come to question number 33. Exercise 1 continuing circle chapter, and very interesting problem. A variable circle passes through the point A. Some point is given. A variable circle is there. It passes through the point A and it is touching x-axis. Passing through point A comma B, and this is the center, a variable circle. So center is not fixed. Center is just C. I am not considering any one center. So that the locus of the other end of the diameter through A. So this is the other end of the diameter. Suppose B, I'm taking other end of diameter as h comma k. So now I can write equation of circle in diameter form. So equation of circle in diameter form, I can write, and x minus x1 x minus a into x minus h plus y minus b into y minus k is equal to 0. This is the equation of circle in diameter form. Center will be midpoint. So center will be of this a plus h upon 2 and b plus k upon 2. This is center. This is center. What is the radius? This will be the radius. So this will be b plus k upon 2. This is the radius because it is touching x-axis. So it's a y-coordinate radius must be equal to radius of this circle. Radius is our g square plus f square minus c. So if you expand or directly can calculate from here, or if you expand also, you will get radius. So x square plus y square minus x a plus h minus y b plus k plus minus plus a h plus bk is equal to 0. This will be the equation of circle if you expand it completely. So what will be radius of this? Radius will be under root of g square a plus h upon, this is the a plus h upon 2 whole square plus b plus k upon 2 whole square minus c. C is a h plus bk. So 2h plus 2bk will cancel out. If you expand, this will be equal to a plus h whole square, 4 will come. So a plus h 2 to 4. So a square plus h square. And this radius is how much? B plus k. So b plus k upon 2 must be equal to this much. So this we have to expand. And now this is a relationship between h and k. So whatever we will get will be the locus because it is in the relationship between the known quantities a, b and h and k. So just our work is to expand it. So you will get a plus h whole square plus b plus k whole square minus 4 ah minus 4 bk upon 2 or upon 4. This 4, this will cancel out. So b plus k whole square is equal to b plus k whole square is equal to a plus h whole square. So a minus h whole square minus 4 bk. B plus k whole square. So b plus k whole square cancel, b plus k whole square. The remaining whatever is left will give you the answer. So if you simplify this, you will get plus 2h, a minus 2h is left. So this is a x minus a whole square is equal to 4by. This will be the answer, which is parabola. After what you will learn, this is the parabola equation. So this will be the answer of that. Thank you.